Hello, my dear friends, and welcome back. In this video, we are just going to see how you can write an Excel formulas modern way in Office 365. Normally, we used to write formulas in each and every cell, but in Excel, now you can write a single formula and achieve multiple outputs. Let me show you what I mean to say. For example, over here I have a data of an product description and I want to calculate the product having a steel word in it and also the plastic, and want to show the calculation over here and total count of that. Okay, normally what we are going to do equal to sum, and then for the calculation I'm just going to do two hyphen, that is minus minus, and I will say is number. Okay, and here we are just going to search for the keyword steel. Okay, and in the array of this particular range. Okay, so this is going to return us the number that it has a 5 still. Okay, same way if I go with the plastic and only change the keyword from steel to plastic, I can have this too, and for the sum I can do just this way. Okay, this is the way where you can do a calculation in each and every cell, and then after you can modify it also. But over here in Excel you can now write a formula in just single cell and get all the outputs correspondingly. Okay, for this we are just going to use a let function. Okay, and let allows you to add more than one formula at a time. So, and for that, first value is going to be a name is nothing but a variable type. Okay, so I am just going to say a data and going to pass a value of this range. Okay, so this range is identified as a data in this. Next, we have calculated the value. Okay, so let's say still count. I'm just taking a variable as name as a still count, and for this we are just going to use the same formula. Sum minus minus is number, search still comma range is going to be data. Not we are going to pass this value, but as a data. Okay, and then again we are just going to write for the plastic. So plastic count comma sum minus minus is number, search plastic comma data. So we are using data word over here as because we have that value as a range. Otherwise, we need to pass each and everywhere that range. Okay. Now total comma still count plus plastic count. Okay. So this is how we have three variables now. One is containing the count of steel count, second for the plastic, and third is having the total value of both. Okay, now to display we are just going to use h stack over here, that is going to be horizontally stack the values, and we are just going to pass the variables that are steel count, plastic count, and total. Okay, so that's it, and just we are going to close that let function, and here you go. In a single formula you get all the three items. And that's it for this video. Hope you like this video and the modern way of using Excel. Let me know in the comment your views about this video as well as next topic you would like to know about. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for such kind of videos. Thank you for watching.